Okay, this is my Husqvarna 224L. I've had it for a while, and it's a 4-stroke, so you don't have to mix oil. But lately, what's going on is that it's been bogging down. So I went through and checked the basic stuff. I took the filter off and checked the carburetor, and then you remove the top screw. And then the other thing to check was the spark arrestor, and I checked that. I took it off, and the screen was perfectly clear. So the last thing I did was I went into the fuel cap and I took the fuel filter out. So let's take a look at that. So with a little pry tool, I'm going to go in there and just see if I can grab the fuel filter here. New filter, I already put it on. I cut a little section of it off, but here's the old one, and it's totally worn out. So I got these from Amazon. I got a whole bunch. They were pretty cheap, so I put it on. And then, now, when I start it, it doesn't bog anymore. So for me, it wasn't the spark arrestor, it wasn't the plug. I went through all that. It turned out that it was the fuel filter. So full throttle, no bogging. It's still a little bit whatever, but it should be okay. Thanks.